In this video, we are going to see how we can change the wallpaper in Windows without needing to activate Windows. So we already know that when your Windows is not an activated version, you won't be able to change the wallpaper. Let's just try that. Normally, when you want to change the wallpaper or the theme of Windows, you just right click and click on personalize, right? But when we click here, you can see that everything is grayed out. You cannot change the wallpaper even if you want to browse it from your PC. And it says you need to activate Windows before you can personalize your settings. It shows Windows activate now. So we cannot personalize our settings this way, but let's say that we only want to change the wallpaper and that's it, nothing else. We don't want to personalize any further. What you can do is just download any wallpaper you like as a picture, open that picture, and let's say this is the one that I like and want to set it as a wallpaper. Right click here and click on set as background. Let's close it and you can see that now it is set as a wallpaper. So this is the way to change any wallpaper simply by downloading it as simple pictures from internet. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.